Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we will be making a Captain on Acid shot. I might be getting a little drunk, but besides that point, just add just a hair bit more ice to this. What you'll need is Blue Curacao. You'll need some Grenadine, by the way. You'll need coconut rum, Captain Morgan. It specifically says Captain Morgan rum. I'm assuming spice rum is fine. You maybe be able to get away with Kraken. Don't hold me to that. Probably not. And you'll need some pineapple juice. So let's go ahead and get down into making this. It's a relatively easy one. Doesn't take too much. Well, let's go ahead. In a shaker glass filled with ice, you'll need half an ounce. I probably should have did that first. Oh well. Half an ounce of coconut rum. I had these fucking pore spots on me, and I didn't use them. Oh well. It's fine. Some videos get them and some videos don't, I guess. Half an ounce of Captain Morgan. 1 ounce of pineapple juice, which I hope I have enough for 1 ounce in this. I think I do. It kind of looks like I do. I'm gonna hope I do and go from there. And if I don't, well, too bad. I do. I'm trying to get rid of this. Jesus. Trying to get rid of this. It's taking some time. And we're going to go ahead and give this a nice shake up. So just a little bit. And then pour it into your selected shot glass. I'm going to go this way because I keep forgetting I need to go this way. I'm going to go about that much right now. And it says about a splash of Captain Morgan. I would do the cup. Maybe I can get away. Ooh, can I get away with this? I can. Alright. A splash of Grenadine. And did I forget something? That looks greener than anything. Yummy. Can't go wrong with Grenadine. It's just a sweetener, basically, and it's red. I don't think there's really anything that's useful in Grenadine, or what it's actually used for other than color and sweetness. And a splash of Blue Curacao. Like so. So this is a Captain on Acid shot. With how this thing looks and what it looks like inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably fucking not. But I'm gonna say, yeah, I would say probably on acid. Let's take the shot. As I imagine it would be. The coconut and pineapple takes over quite a bit of it, but it adds a nice. It's a very nice, like, tropical shot. Would be the way I would describe that. It's like a tropical shot. Overall, not. Or I was gonna say not great. It's definitely great. It's good. You can't go wrong with this. It's a delicious shot. If you want something sweet and you have Captain Morgan pineapple juice and all. If you like that, go check out my other videos. We now have a Discord link down in the description. If any of you guys have a drink or shot recipe, leave it down in the comment section below. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.